I'm meteorologist Hemlock City. It is Thursday's Manus time, and here's our tropical storm. I am not even going to try to pronounce his name. Or Isaias? I don't know. Anyway, you can see the storm is wrapping itself up here just to the west of Puerto Rico this morning, and it's right in here. Okay, let me see if we can get a little better shot. There you go. There's the center of the storm right there, and then you can see all the showers and thunderstorms coming up over Puerto Rico. It's very well developed in terms of tropical storms, and it's getting bigger. And a lot of flash flooding going on across Puerto Rico, especially the east end of the island's getting hammered by heavy rain. It looks like this area over here is this morning is staying to the west of Puerto Rico, but still some heavy rains going through, enough to cause flash flooding this morning. So that is that. This thing is going to, the hurricane guys took their path and shoved it to the east overnight, which I thought was going to happen anyway, because the initial modeling had it going to the east of Florida. So no surprise there. If we, this is the radar this morning, a lot of showers and thunderstorms out here through the center of the country. I'm going to kind of skip over that because all that's just going to get sort of clogged up here over the next couple of days. So what's going to happen is trough is going to come into the eastern part of the country like this. Tropical storm is going to come up here, probably come right up the eastern seaboard, and head out. There's still room. This thing comes up and through the Carolinas and eastern Virginia like that. So we got to keep an eye on the exact path. But all this out here is going to sort of clog itself up over the weekend over into the eastern part of the country. So it's just going to be numerous showers and thunderstorms, some heavy rains as well. So a lot of areas that have been ultra dry are now going to go to ultra wet. And then we have to see how the tropical storm plays itself out as it comes on up the coast. So a lot happening. Usually when these things are coming along, the whole pattern sort of comes to a halt and sort of clogs itself up, as I say. It's kind of a roadblock coming in. We're at least cut the heat down. One more day of heat, and then I think the heat gets cut down by all the clouds and showers and thunderstorms. So that is good. These cold fronts aren't doing any good for us. There you go. There is the system. You can see it. It was kind of weirdly shaped yesterday. It was sort of elongated out here, but now it's finally starting to become a nice round-looking system. It's probably going to come over. It's probably not going to go over the island of Dominican Republic. It's probably going to go onto the North Shore. So it's going to be able to stay strong as it does so, and then it's probably going to kind of weave its way through the Bahamas and probably stay in an area where it can actually, it might get to a hurricane. I'm pretty sure it's going to get to a hurricane as it comes up toward Florida. But I think it's going to, for Florida folks, I think it's going to be a graze. I don't think it's going to be a direct hit for you guys, okay? And let's see here. What do I want to go next? So I just checked the severe weather real fast. There's no real severe weather to talk about. Next couple of days here. The flash flood, oops, we drew a weird line. The flash flood guidance is going to be high with all the showers and thunderstorms. That's going to kind of keep coming through the Tennessee Valley and eventually, what did I do that for? Eventually into the Ohio Valley. Like I said, everything's sort of clogging up. It's just kind of stopping. So we're going to have to deal with these showers and thunderstorms and heavy rain in areas that have had rain, areas that have had not rain, like my yard outside, which my grass is a beautiful brown, can absorb a good amount of rain. We could take it, bring it. Okay, you can see the all the rain that's coming up with the storm over the next 7 days. So a lot is coming. All right. Here's the that's the official track. Remember yesterday it had it coming up through eastern over here west of Florida. Now they got it east of Florida. And again, I don't think it's going to. I think it's going to stay off the coast. I don't think it's going to come in and make a hit. I think the Outer Banks is probably your place that you don't want to be, because that's probably the spot that's going to get hammered. And I also, let's see here, the guidance. Where's our where's our model? And there's I think that's it right there. There's our ship model right there, and then it goes up to a hurricane. So we're gonna follow that model. It wants to go to hurricane. Let's do the hurricane thing here coming up by this weekend. Okay, so you can see there's pretty much half the models are in the hurricane, half are in the tropical storm. So 50-50. All right, this is the morning models. Again, this is the 6Z. This is a 6Z model, and they don't have it initialized correctly. I believe it's over here. So I think when they reanalyze it, and they'll put it over here, and this will change the whole dynamics like that. Okay. The even this was the last night's model had it analyzed in the wrong spot here. So the tropical models didn't have it in the right spot. So I think after they reanalyze where the storm actually is located, which if you bring up the radar, you can see it looks like it's right here on the west end of the island of Puerto Rico, right over top of that little tiny island right there. It's all going to shift. The models are all going to shift around. That's what I'm trying to get at. All right. So here you go. This is today, a lot of showers and thunderstorms from the plains all the way into the eastern part of the country. And tomorrow the showers. Here comes the tropical storm coming up. Okay. You can see the band of showers and thunderstorms sort of get clogged up here. And then this weekend, here comes the storm. Staying away from Florida. Okay. A lot of showers and thunderstorms coming up into Pennsylvania. I'm going to plan my activities this weekend that it's actually going to be raining, so that I'm actually going to clean my house. I haven't I have to do a deep cleaning of my house. Oh my goodness, a rainy day. I got lots of things to do this weekend. All right, so Sunday it's passing Florida. A lot of showers and thunder. Again, remember, everything's clogging up, so we're getting a lot of showers and thunderstorms over the eastern part of the country. And then by Monday night, it's coming up toward the Outer Banks. And then by Tuesday, there you go. Tuesday, it's passing. Keep in mind, with this trough coming in like this thing could be easily over here over top of Richmond, Virginia on Tuesday. So I would keep that option open, that this thing could easily, come around and go right up to here. Okay, so I'm a little concerned about that. It all depends on how this trough is going to dig itself in out ahead of the system, and how much ridging this is going to produce, how strong this thing gets here. So while it looks like it's winging it out to sea, it always can come up and do this too. Okay, so keep that window open. All right, that's it for now. Meteorologist, Market City.